Welcome everyone to today's video. It's a special one. Got a new bike. You can probably guess what it is. Let's get into it. This is the Sur Ron X unboxing. This is the 2021 Sur Ron X. It's supposed to come with the Killa shocks. Looks like it did. Cool. Get this thing out. Little makeshift stand. Accessory box. Came from FedEx Freight. Came pretty clean. Box was in good shape. Way better than the Supers box, I'll say that. Got some stickers. Okay. Another box. Put that aside. She purdy. Let me get my... Let's get the charger going. I think that's going to be in one of these. Got to be keys somewhere in here. Here's the charger. It's a nice charger. Cool. Got that. Let's see what we got in here. Bunch of paperwork. Here's that left peg or right peg. It's really cold out today, so can't really feel my fingers. But we are going to be doing a first impressions ride. Be sure to stick around for that. Most likely will be another video, but don't hate the player, hate the game. Over there. The keys. Where are the keys? Keys. Okay, cool. Got the keys. Let's get the battery out and working. So here she is, all assembled here in the garage. Got the D&M rear shock. Got the RST Killa front shock. Got the Pro Taper bars on there. Got some Pro Taper grips. Be sure to check the description for links for those if you're interested. That's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the first ride. Stay tuned for a bunch of upgrades. I'm really excited to get on this thing. Yeah, thanks for all the support.